Alright, I'm gonna record this. Look how high the fucking snow is, like holy shit, and I'm gonna walk through it by that tree. I'm gonna be crazy motherfuckerness. Oh, it's in my shoe. Look, it's already halfway on my shoe, and I'm not even all the way in there. Oh, dude, it's to my knee, it's past my knee. I can't walk. Oh. Holy balls. Steve, this bush is like as high as me, like without the snow. And oh, this is how deep it is. Well, that deep anyway, it goes to here. So oh, roar. Oh shit. Alright, it's almost to my hip. Alright, I can't walk anymore. Fuck this shit. I'm about to fall. It's almost to my hip, and I'm not even touching the ground. Like, it's still snow. Fuck this. Oh. Oh, and I'm not wearing any socks, man. Should have thought about that. This is a sidewalk. Just saying. F this shit. This video is for Jaden. She's complaining on my pointing at the ground, but just because of the wind, it's hurting as much. But as you can tell, the snow was up to here. That deep snow. Up to my, almost up to, basically up to my hip. Shit. Dropped my keys somewhere. Oh. Alright, gotta backtrack. Balls. Alright, later.